We just wanted to take a minute to tell you about the new features that we have put in the new Business Detail button. When you're adding a business name or information about the commercial customer that you have, you're going to want to click on the Business Detail button to add the specifics regarding this business, whether or not it's incorporated, an individual, or an LLC. There's all kinds of different fields in here that you can put in all types of different commercial numbers that you may need down the road. We just wanted to make you aware of it, and we hope you enjoy this feature. Should you have any questions about the video you just watched, you can reach us at any of these methods listed here on the screen. Be sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And again, thank you for watching.